guys? My name is Joe Paris. I'm the best-selling online instructor, today serving more than 500,000 students from all around the world. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to retire in your early 20s. That's right, not have to work if you want to, come and go if you want to, work from anywhere if you want to, and really become financially independent. I'm going to share with you my own story here, and while it is my story, it's intended to help you get the exact same results. So if you're tired of working that 9-to-5 grind, if you're tired of doing the same things over and over, living paycheck to paycheck, having no freedom, you're gonna really enjoy this video and you're going to really enjoy this channel. Speaking of channel, go ahead and click the subscribe now button, guys, and give this video a big thumbs up because I really love to create videos like this and I wanna share more tips and tricks on how to become financially independent, how to live the life of your dreams, how to build an online business and have money coming to you from multiple sources. If you're all about that, if you love entrepreneurship, if you like guys like Grant Cardone, Ty Lopez, Dean Graziosi, Tony Robbins, if you like personal development, you're going to love this video and you're going to love this channel. So make sure to subscribe, hit that little bell for the notifications, and I'll see you guys in future videos. But for now, let's stay right here because I'm going to share with you 3 strategies that took me from literally my parents' basement to what you see here today, this beautiful luxury high-rise apartment. Strategy number 1 is to learn how to create and sell an online course. Now you might be thinking to yourself, I have no idea how to create and sell an online course. And the truth was, when I first got started, I had no idea either. In fact, I was teaching in the classroom and I knew that I had credentials to teach, I just didn't know how to make videos. So the skill that you need to learn in order to create and sell an online course is you just need to learn how to create videos. And so while it is an art and while it is a little bit more difficult initially to learn, especially if you don't have any experience doing it, it can be done. Be patient with yourself. And if you're interested in learning exactly how to do this specific thing, make videos, because today video is incredibly important. Think about all the commercials on TV, think about all the different things online. Video is everywhere, guys. If you have that skill, you can write your ticket, you can freelance, you can do whatever you want with it. And you can also make online classes. So what I've been able to do is learn this skill and then kind of reteach it. In fact, though, I want to go back to the beginning where the first thing that I did to even make videos is I didn't even have a camera. I was just recording my screen off my laptop and that was good enough. So that's good enough for you as well if you want to create and sell an online course, a digital product, okay? If you're able to sell some sort of digital product online today, you can write your ticket, all right? You can retire. Why? Because right now, somebody's watching a video of mine. Somebody from halfway across the world, whether they're in Australia, India, wherever they might be, right? Somebody is always watching a video of mine. And it's really cool to actually be able to serve and help people and to do that. But here's how I did it. The very first thing that I did was I enrolled in a course teaching me how to create and sell online courses. Now, it's not rocket science, right? If you need to learn something and you don't have the skills, what should you do? Well, go to an expert that has the skills, is getting the results that you want, do exactly what they're doing, copy them, and then you should be able to get the exact same results that they're getting too, right? So take the guesswork out of it. And if you want to go deeper into this, because I could talk for 20 or 30 hours on this subject, and I even have free training showing you step by step how to sell 6 figures a year plus with online video courses. If you're interested in that, guys, I'll leave a link down below in the description. It's absolutely free. Go ahead and click on it. You can watch it whenever you want to, and it's really simple to get started. If you want to live an amazing lifestyle, if you want to have so much coming in, meaning there's so much financial independence there, selling online courses, guys, is definitely something that I would highly recommend. And it's incredibly, 1, lucrative, but also 2, it's really not as difficult as you may think it is. So I just wanted to share that here with you guys as our first tip is to go ahead and educate yourself. Learn about how to sell a digital product. Learn how to sell an online course. And from there, money should just start pouring in. Speaking of money, today we live in a capitalistic society. Unfortunately, you're probably not watching this in the Amazon rainforest, and you're probably not part of a tribe or something like that, where money to you is not necessarily relevant. You probably live somewhere where it is very relevant. And to me, money is equivalent to oxygen. Let me give you a little example of this. I actually really liked this the first time I heard it. If I were to take your head and dunk it underwater, for about 30 seconds, you probably would be like, okay. But after 30 seconds, you couldn't breathe, right? You couldn't breathe from that first 30 seconds, and you'd be like, I need oxygen, I need oxygen, I need oxygen, right? And so if you don't get oxygen after a couple of minutes, well, bad things are going to happen. So in that moment, oxygen is the most important thing to you. Let me give you another example. Think about it right now. How important is oxygen to you right now? You're probably breathing it. There's so much of it everywhere that you don't even think about it, right? That's what I want for you to feel when it comes to your finances. That to me is true financial independence. When you have so many sources of income, you have so much coming in, you have so much oxygen, baby, that you can choose to do whatever you want, when you want. That to me is financial freedom. So how do you get there? Right? How do you actually start going from, I can barely breathe, right? I'm living paycheck to paycheck, blah, blah, blah. How do I actually get to then the point where there's so much oxygen that I'm not even thinking of it? Well, you set up multiple sources of income. One way to do this is to set up and create an online course and digital products, but there are many other ways to do this, guys. The internet is absolutely insane today. You can set up a Shopify store, you can create a blog, you can literally social media marketing. There's so many different avenues for you. I just want to share an example because this is what I know. Selling online courses works for sure. And the great thing about selling an online course is you already have the knowledge. When I first got it started, I knew that I had the knowledge. I knew that I was a good teacher. And maybe that came because I went to school and was actually a teacher in the classroom for a while, and I coached basketball, and I kind of had that self-confidence. But to be fair, when I started teaching the things that I was teaching online, it wasn't even stuff that I had learned from school. It was stuff that I had learned previously from my own personal development, from my own reading of books and having mentors and watching things online. And people actually really seem to enjoy that. So it doesn't really matter what you teach. The thing is, you just got to take action and start sharing your knowledge, because somebody out there needs that knowledge. They sincerely are looking for that knowledge, and they need your help. So really, just my point to you is, if you just take enough action in the right direction, you're going to have so much oxygen coming in. It's going to be a really great place to be. And here's where that's going to lead you. It's going to lead you to complete abundance, complete financial freedom. You're going to be able to travel the world. You're going to be able to live where you want to. You're going to be able to do what you want to do when you want to do. To me, that is retirement. That is freedom. We have this idea in the back of our head that, like, once we get to a certain age, then we have all this freedom. We can go to the beach when we want to, and we have enough money to, live this lifestyle. To me, that's kind of a weird way of thinking, because why would you want to wait 65 years? And to be honest, we don't even know if we're even going to get that far in life. Why would you want to wait that long to start enjoying all the things that life has to offer? Why would you punch the clock 5 days a week, get a day and a half on the weekend, and then do it all over again, over and over and over? To me, it's a very silly game. Start doing it now. How do you do it? You got to free your time. You got to get that oxygen, baby. You got to get that money. How do you do that? Again, recapping what we've learned here: sell a digital product, sell an online course, start building a business that gives you the framework, the structure for what you're looking for. And from there, the sky's the limit. So I just want to say thank you so much again, guys, for watching this video. I'm going to have more tips and tricks and strategies on how to really become financially independent, how to be able to retire in your early 20s, how to be able to live a life by design. And this is my passion. I really, truly am blessed to be able to live the lifestyle that I live, to wake up when I want to. I'm actually making this video on Sunday morning because, well, everyone else last night was out partying and doing stuff. Here I was. I went to bed a little bit earlier, got up early, and there's nobody up here. There's no one up on my roof right now. Why? Because everyone was doing what everybody else is doing, right? So if there's one last little thing that I can leave you here with, is this: in order to get results and to live a life that most people dream of, you're going to have to be willing to do the things that most people are not willing to do. For example, you may have to give up some weekends. You may have to live at your parents' place for a few years because you don't have enough income coming in to live the lifestyle that you want to, because you don't have enough money to do that. And those are the prices that I was willing to pay. I remember reading so much and just not focusing on anything else but getting to the place that I wanted to be. And when you focus your mind, and when you have a goal, and when you really have the right mentorship, was absolutely key for me. When I first started teaching online, mentorship. When you have the right mentorship, when you have the right system in place, this is going to allow you then to just take off like a rocket. You're going to get results that people are going to marvel at. Like, people look at my lifestyle and they're just like, how are you doing this? You know, I mean, I live better than most multimillionaires do. And that's because I freed up my time. And that's what I want for each and every one of you, is to have complete control over your time, to hang out with your family and friends when you want to go on vacation when you want to be able to live a life where you are in control, where you get to choose. So hopefully this has helped you. If it has, again, guys, give us a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. All right, subscribe to the channel, because there's going to be more videos like this. I'm going to teach you tips and tricks and strategies. You're going to get to see into my lifestyle a little bit more. And yeah, there's going to be some really, really good stuff on this channel. Hit that bell notification. We're going to post at least once a week. And I look forward to seeing you guys back in more videos to come in the future. Thanks again, guys. I'll see you very soon.
Yeah.